everyone, welcome to Annie Tries Things. This is the channel where I tell you all about products I've tried out and let you know whether or not they're worth the effort. Today we're going to do an unboxing video. Very exciting. So I just got this in the mail today and I've been waiting to share it with you. It came from Ripple Street, and I can leave the link to Ripple Street at the bottom of my video here. Ripple Street is a company that you can sign up for, and they pair you with like chatterboxes, kind of, where you'll get a product and you just have to tell people about it. Maybe have a little party with everybody. So I don't know what's in this box. Yeah, I don't know. I think I have an idea, but I'm not sure. So I'll be opening this box with you for the first time. It's very exciting. I have my trusty kitchen knife here. I'm just going to slit the top of the box like so. The sides as well. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so Ripple Street will send you just like some cards to tell you a little bit about what you have. Your next experience awaits. Ooh, it's got a card inside of it. A $20 Visa card. Okay, we're gonna find out what that is for in a second. It doesn't say in here what it's for, but Ripple Street. Okay, and then we have a little information card, and just this. Oh, it's Modelo. This will be fun. All right, so it's Modelo. Oh my God, it's like a little party pack. Okay, so I have here 4 koozies with Modelo on them. That's kind of fun. All right, a couple of pairs of sunglasses. This is very cool. Try on a pair so you guys can see it. I think I'm styling now, right? Very cool. Okay, and then we have, ooh, these are nice little, they're like metal cups. You know, they're kind of solo cup like shaped here, but they have the Modelo logo on them, and they're kind of like a 10, I guess, probably. All right. Next up is an ice bucket with the Modelo logo on it so that you can ice your beers, I think. So it's for Aguas Frescas. So it says on the back here, Aguas Frescas, which I believe is like their, you know, their kind of take on like the sparkling seltzers kind of thing. So try that out. I suspect I know what the gift card is for, so I can go and buy the Modelo. Oh, and last but not least, we have a very cool little chiller bag here. It's got the nice insulation on the inside and the Modelo Aguas Frescas logo on the front. This is very lovely. Okay, so we can definitely keep this Aguas Frescas very cool indeed. So, well, that is the unboxing video for you. I don't have the product yet to tell you what it's about and how it tastes, so maybe I'll do an add-on at the end of this video so that you can get an idea of how that went. Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, I went yesterday and I purchased the Modelo Aqua Frescas courtesy of Ripple Street and the debit card that they gave me to purchase them with. It cost about $17 for this package of 12, and it comes with 4 different varieties. I haven't tried any of them yet. I'm going to try one of them here with you today and let you know what I think. I will say it's like noon on a Saturday, but I guess, you know, maybe a little day drinking, kind of pick up the rest of my Saturday, or maybe put me to sleep. I'm not sure which. So there are 4 different varieties, as mentioned. We have watermelon, pineapple, cucumber, lime, and the one I'm going to be trying with you guys today is hibiscus. I chose hibiscus not because I don't love all these other flavors, but because this sounds so unique and interesting. I will tell you that my history with seltzers is kind of iffy. I find them not as pleasant as maybe just a glass of wine or regular beer, but I am open and I am willing to try something new. Okay, so we're gonna pop this puppy open. Nice and cold. It stayed on the refrigerator overnight, so that's really good. Okay, here we go. Cheers. Oh, that's surprisingly good. It's really nice. Very refreshing. I live in Texas, so it gets very hot here, and I can imagine sitting outside at the pool with my friends with one of these Modelo Agua Frescas. It's quite tasty, actually. And I'm not being paid to say that. I actually like it. This is great. I'm not sure how the other ones will taste, but I definitely enjoy this one. So thanks for joining me.